In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cover letters with Grok. Career Setup 2026. We're going to keep it simple and practical so you can go from a blank page to a polished cover letter in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. That's the home base for the Grok AI assistant. Once you're there, you can start right away. A quick note before we dive in. You don't have to log in to use it, but signing in helps you save your progress and keep track of different versions as you refine them. If you'd like that convenience, sign in now. If not, you can continue as a guest. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface front and center. It's designed to feel like a conversation, which makes the process fast and intuitive. Right on the main screen, look for the chat bar near the bottom. This is where you'll type your instructions, just like sending a message. To begin, ask Grok to create your cover letter. Type something clear and direct, such as, create a cover letter for a job application. If you want a visual element, you can add the phrase with image. That tells Grok to include an image element if the platform supports it, like a simple header image or a profile style touch. Keep in mind that many online applications prefer plain text or PDF without images, so only use an image if it suits the context. After you send your request, Grok will generate a draft. Read it through carefully. If it doesn't feel quite right or you're not really into the tone or structure, ask again with more detail. This is where the tool shines. Be specific about what you want adjusted. You can say things like, make the tone more professional and concise, or emphasize experience with project leadership, or expand the introduction to make it more engaging. You can also ask Grok to tailor it to a particular role, keep the letter to a certain length, or vary the phrasing to avoid repetition. The clearer your instructions, the better the next version will be. Repeat this quick back and forth until the result matches your style and goals. When you're satisfied, you're ready to use it as is, or make any final personal touches. And that's it. Go to grok.com. Optionally sign in to save your work. Use the chat bar to ask Grok to create your cover letter. Add with image if appropriate. And refine the draft by requesting more detailed adjustments until it's exactly what you need.